And Rift Valley Railways has launched an innovative steel transportation system that will enable it to ferry 1,000 tons of steel in one trip. Each is the equivalent of just about 50 lorry loads. The innovation is also expected to ease congestion along the Mombasa-Malaba highway with reduced road transport.
A Rift Valley Railways locomotive leaves the APM terminal in Changamwe, Mombasa, destined for Uganda. This is a trip it has made several times before, but this time round there is some special cargo on board. Through a collaborative venture with Roofing's Rolling Mills, RVR has developed specially adapted wagons which can secure large steel coils, first in the region.
Each train load, on average, ferries the equivalent of 50 lorries. 50 lorries. These work out to the equivalent of 400 truck trips taken off our roads each month.
In the past, it would have taken 40 long-haul trucks to transport the close to 1,000 tons of steel coils from Mombasa to Uganda.
The big difference is for two things. One is obviously the effect that it has on the road surface, and secondly, for the steel manufacturer, he can use a larger coil, which is more efficient in his operations. This coil, for instance, is a 20-ton coil. It's the heaviest coil that's transported in this region at the moment. Traditionally, the coils that are moved by road are 13 or 14 tons each, so that they can be accommodated on road transport.
For RVR, this is part of an ongoing diversification strategy aimed at getting new clients to use the railway system. In its strategic plan, the rail operator is targeting bulk cargo movers in Kenya and Uganda and has already signed deals with a number of multinational organizations.
We have seen an increase in the amount of steel being transported across the region to supply the booming construction industry.
So currently our capacity is to produce close to 250,000 tons of steel per annum. That's equivalent to just over 20,000 tons per month.
So this development is timely, and we are confident it will be welcomed by the market.
RVR intends to double its cargo handling capacity within a year. To boost capacity, RVR is set to take stock of 20 General Electric locomotives within the year, along with 1,500 additional wagons. The carrier currently ferries about 1.7 million tons a year, and they project to increase that to 3.7 million for the same period. Ferdinand Omondi, KTN, Mombasa.